And to those of you that are new to our work, welcome. You wouldn't be watching this if there wasn't a part of you that's at least a little curious, right? But we warn you, we don't really offer a path that allows your mind to dictate what is real and what isn't. The mind's appetite for a steady dose of information will never, ever be satisfied without the presence of consciousness. It will never be satisfied, no matter how intelligent you think you are. But there exists deep inside of you, each of you, a counterpart to your human mind, your divine mind. It complements your heart and the heart of creation, consciousness itself. Take another deep breath there. It's a day of moving energies. It's a day of celebrating the times that are right in front of us. So as we bring today's session to a close, I, Michael, want to thank my partner, Robert, for this opportunity to share my own unique perspective. There already exists, no matter what appears to be outside of you or around you, a reality deep inside of you that already knows that all is indeed well. You're paying such a high price for listening to all that mind chatter, clamoring for your attention, so as to once again mentally process how and why yesterday just keeps calling, repeating itself over and over again, so as to solidify an identity that acts as a substitute version for your soul self. My friends, it is your birthright to reclaim your soul just for yourself. And it is our joy to help you. Oh, we know the times in front of you can be a little scary. So spend more time with your attention on what is also beautiful, starting with you, please. Yes, starting with you. And what is truly beautiful is a small group of human beings choosing life every single day, every single moment,